Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install GitHub Copilot in VS Code. So at first you have to actually go for this character icon. From here you can see I am logged in currently with my GitHub account. Now there will be sign in option. In your case, you just have to actually log in through your GitHub account. If you don't know how to create GitHub account, you can actually go to the github.com. You can type github.com, and then here you can see I am logged into my account. You can actually create your account through Gmail, okay? I mean Google account. So then you can log in here through your GitHub account. And when you will log into your GitHub account, then you can actually use GitHub Copilot chat option. Here in the address bar, you can see we have untitled workspace. Here we have a message icon, right? And under this message icon, you can see when I hover on it, it means toggle chat, right? There is a text pop-up. Here you can see toggle chat. So I click here, and in the right side you can see I have GitHub Copilot. Okay, you don't need to actually download any extension here. So now you can actually use GitHub Copilot. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.